8 ways to optimize your local business videos. Video marketing is a powerful medium to use to market your local business, especially if your products or services are best represented in an audio-visual manner. For example, a landscaping business would find videos as the best way to show a garden makeover compared to using an article or a report. However, video marketing should also be geared to please search engines so that your videos achieve higher search engine rankings. Here are 8 important ways to optimize your videos on a video sharing site and on your business website. Number 1. Titles. Use your business's primary keyword in the title of your video. For example, if your keyword is plant roses, then your title could read, How to Plant Roses in Spring. Number 2. Description. Use your primary and secondary keyword in the description area. This is the area beneath your video where you describe what your video is all about and what you would like your viewers to do. Number 3. Tags. Make sure to input your primary and secondary keywords in the tag box of every video. Number 4. Comments. Encourage viewers to leave comments beneath your video. This spurs conversation and greater traffic to your video. Number 5. Favorite. Encourage people to favorite your business video. They simply click on the Favorite tab below the video. Number 6. Traffic. Drive as many people to your video as possible from your website, emails, social media accounts, articles, and other sites. This will drive up the number of views for your video and improve its rankings. Number 7. Like or thumbs up. Encourage people to leave a like or a thumbs up for the video. They do this by clicking the thumbs up icon. This helps to rank your video for popularity. Number 8. Links. Link to and from external sites using your primary keyword in the anchor text. This helps to build your backlinks. Thank you, and please contact us for more information.